This is a professional button making kit in the 1.5 inch size from buttonmakers.net. It includes an M150 professional button making machine, a graphic punch for cutting out circles, and enough stuff to make 500 pinback buttons. It also includes instructions, a sample pack, free online design software, a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, and a button maker's lifetime guarantee for no additional charge. We have been using these machines in our custom button business for 20 years, and we stand behind the quality of the manufacturing on these machines. We call them professional because they stand out against all the other button making equipment out there as something that you can use to make buttons on a deadline, something that works every time you go to use it, something that's not going to frustrate you trying to get stuff done for your clients, customers, fundraisers, that sort of thing. This is good quality equipment. I know it's hard to tell online sometimes, but believe me, the 1.5 inch size is a little bit bigger than like 1.25 and 1 inch. It still targets that kind of 20-something and teenage market, but it's just big enough to where you might use it for Comic-Con or to promote your own artwork, because it's big enough to where you can see detail and that kind of thing in your artwork still. You're not shrinking it down to where you can't see anything, but it's still small enough that people will wear it on their everyday clothing and show off your brand on their bags and backpacks and sweatshirts. In addition to pinback buttons, this machine can also make refrigerator magnets, zipper pulls, keychains, and more.